Hello, this is Christian from the PayrollHero Customer Success Team. In this video, I'll show you how to add a payment to Debit, or in other words, start a repayment, of a cash advance given to an employee on one or multiple pay periods. So if an employee received a loan or cash advance via the system or was given one manually, with this payment, you can automatically set up a repayment plan of the debt and keep track of the amount paid and the amount due. So to add this debt payment, first we're going to have to go to the employee list and find the employee that was given this money. So I'll just go directly to my profile. I received a cash advance of 3,500 pesos, and what I will set up now is the repayment process. So I'll go into payments, and I will under employee payments select from the drop down advance, and I will click on add a new payment. So in this case, I want to debit a specific amount, and I will select the total amount that I want to deduct per pay slip or pay period. So I received 3,500, which I have agreed with HR that will be repaid on amounts of 1,000 every pay period. So I will select that I want to debit a specific amount of 1,000 from the employee, which will be paid per payroll. The other options would be once, if I want to pay the total amount on one repayment, per work day, and that's another option, and so on and so forth. So I'll select pay per payroll. Another option would be per month as well, of course. So I'll select per payroll and to be started on a specific date. And I received this pay loan on the period of August 1 to 15th. So I will start paying it on the next pay period, which would start on the 16th. So I'll just select August 17th as an example. And I want this amount to stop after a specific amount has been reached. And the specific amount was 3,500. So what this system would do right now is on every payroll, it will deduct 1,000 until it reaches 3,500. Obviously, on the fourth installment, it will only deduct 500. This amount is debited from my net and will be recorded under, and I will select the same bank that I used to give this. So in this case, it would be a cash advance, which is the one that we will generally use to keep track of all cash advances, but you can use any bank that you would like. No tax rule will be governing this, and I want this appear under the advance section of the pay stub, and it will be cash advance repayment. I do not want to categorize. Yes, I do want to track how much need to be paid, and I want this to be paid right away. So I check my settings, and once I'm ready, I'll click on create. Now I can scroll down here, and I have then the original payment for the credit. So this was the amount given to me, and down here would be the debit, which is the payment which I will return to the company the amount that I have been given. As you can see from here, I can edit if I want to change any settings. Say I would like to pay on amounts of 800 instead. I can do those changes now before the payment has started. And I can also delete this payment if for some reason I decide so. So you can see here in status that the balance is 3,500. After one payment, this balance would be 2,500. After two payments, it would be 1,500, and so on and so forth. And that's how easy it is to set up a cash repayment for an employee on PayrollHero. For more information and details, please check out our knowledge base at support.payrollhero.com. And if you have any questions, you can always reach us at our email at support@payrollhero.com. Thanks for watching.